Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming a video on the new Anastasia Beverly Hills collection times Alyssa Edwards, and I'm super excited for this video because I'm super excited for this collection. And here is the look size comparison to my head. I have a big head. So here is the PR box. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Let's open it up. Without dropping anything. I don't know, I can't see. Can you see it? Oh, there we go. You can probably see it, I can't see. So, it came with this awesome mirror. It came with this awesome fan. It says Beast. Oh, and I'm so on theme today because it's kind of wrinkled, but ignore that. Maybe my head will cover that part. Went to Hobby Lobby and got this fabric to go with this video. This mirror that also says Beast. Hi. Look at the little lips right there. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. Anyways, and the palette, oh my gosh, look at the box. I already used it, but still. I put it all back in the box. Anastasia is also coming out with an eye primer. And I used this yesterday too. So far, so good. I just did a look with it and then took it off, so I don't know the longevity or the wear. But it's vegan, a word I don't know, dermatologist tested, ophthalmologist tested, long wearing I can't speak today. Clinically tested, water resistant, oil free, alcohol free, and gluten free. And the word I didn't know was non-comedogenic. Non-comedogenic. Don't know what that means, but it's non-comedogenic, so. Anyways, I'll put, because I'm not going to swatch it right now because it's messy. But, and I don't really care about swatches, so here's the eye primer. My lights are like reflecting off of it. So I have swatches on my Instagram story. It's probably going to be expired by the time this comes up. I don't know. Of me swatching a few of the shades on top of the primer and then on my arm without the primer. I'll insert that now. I will show you the primer. It is thick, honey. No, I'm kidding. It is thick though. I wasn't kidding about that. So I put, this is concealer for my brows. Don't look at that. This is the primer. Focus? I can't really tell. I don't know, but it seems so nice so far. I really liked it. It makes the shadows pop. So, and I don't know when any of this comes out or the prices. There's going to be a full size of this primer and a small size, a mini. Yeah, a mini. I don't know any information about it because I suck, but I'll put it in the description box below. So. I'm going, for today's video, I wanted to recreate, again, I recreated one of the campaign shots last night, but I wanted to my cat's being weird. I want to recreate a look from the campaign photos that they did on Alyssa. So, I'm going to do, I edit on Premiere Pro and I really don't know how to use it, so if I can't insert something right here, I'll try to show you. This photo, if you go to their Instagram and go to this photo, you'll see that I'm gonna recreate this. Okay. Ooh. I don't know if that's a lot. I don't know if that's a lot. We'll see. And so far this is the only shade, which it's really light, but I think They said it's because they want the shadows to pop, so you can just like use it as your base for your shadows to pop. I don't know. I think Norvina wanted to like kind of test it out and see, and then come out with more shades later. Alrighty, so this eye look is like, so taking the palette, I'm going to go in with Texas. I'm going to go in with Texas Made, which is that pink, and I'm just going to take it on an A10 Anastasia brush. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the shade Believe. Take a little bit more of that pink shade and going back in with some purple. Going with a little bit of back rolls, that brown, and just kind of tap, 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 tap. Going in with the black shade Beast, lightly, just adding that. I'm gonna try to cut the crease with the primer, and we'll see how that goes. Cut the crease really nicely, as you can see. Now I'm going to put the white shade on top of it. I'm going to use Headliner from the palette. Just pat that on top. I'm going to take a little bit of Beast and back rolls mixed and kind of blend this. So that is it for the eye look right now. I'm going to go ahead and do this eye, mascara, and lashes, and then I will be back. The eye look is almost finished. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my face makeup. So I'm going to take the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation. Put that all over. We want full coverage. Now I'm going to be mixing concealers. I'm going to be mixing the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer with the ColourPop No Filter. And I'm mixing because this e.l.f. one is a little light with this foundation. I'm using the Anastasia Contour Kit. Taking Beast and just running that along my lower lash line. Now taking the purple shade. Taking the Anastasia Blush Trio in Pink Passion. I'm going to take the Anastasia Dewy Setting Spray. Now going in with the Dream Glow Kit, I'm going to go in with the shade Regal and Unicorn and mix the two. So I get a nice pretty pink glow. I'll be doing lips and I'm going to be mixing two to get the color that I want. I'll be mixing this Wet n Wild lipstick called Tulip to Quit and this Power Pink by Pop Beauty. Just going to add a little bit of this. And this is the finished look. So I really do like this Anastasia Alyssa Edwards palette. I think it is like Anastasia's normal shadow formula. It's really good, really easy to blend. I think the colors are great. I love Alyssa. I love the mirror, the fan, and I'm really excited about this. I really love the primer, and I will see myself repurchasing. Well, I'm gonna see myself purchasing it when I run out, and I think it cuts the crease so beautifully. Stay tuned if you want to see me get extra. Alrighty, you guys know how to be a little extra with it, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, and yeah. I want to have a little fun and really recreate the campaign shoot. Literally did one hand of nails and they look like shit. But anyways, yeah, that's it for today's video.